Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to register and join the pharmacy on Faces as a prescriber. All you need to do is log into your Faces account, click on the prescriptions icon, then select Personal Details. You'll see a prompt inviting you to get started. Make any updates you wish to your details so they can be reviewed. Choose your business type, enter your address, and then provide your professional registration numbers so we can verify them. Please also include the expiry dates for these details. If you have insurance, select Yes. If you don't, select No to view quotes from various insurance providers we partner with. If your insurance company isn't listed, select Other and type the name manually. If it is listed, simply choose it, upload your insurance document, enter the policy number, and select the expiry date. If you're a training academy, click Yes. Otherwise, click No. Then, choose your training provider or add any relevant details about your prescribing experience. You also have the option to upload a training certificate if you have one. If not, you can leave this section blank as it's not mandatory for prescribers. If you'd like to prescribe for others, click Yes. If you want to prescribe for all professionals, select that option and set your chosen prescription fee. Be sure to create a security code for your use. This ensures that you can safely approve prescriptions. Next, review and accept all terms and conditions, then click Save. Don't forget to upload your ID. Either a passport or a driver's license is acceptable. For your insurance documents, make sure they clearly display your full name, policy number, and cover dates. Once everything is complete, click Save, and that's it. Let us know if you have any further questions.